Good morning, 4A, rise and shine. Hope you had a good sleep, hope you're rested, and hope your brains are ready for another day of learning. Today is Wednesday, the 15th of April, and today we're going to get busy with a lot of learning. So let me take you through your day. Okay, so today you will start your day with maths. In maths, you are going to be learning about triangles, about different kinds of triangles and how we can sort them, or not sort them, but yes, sort them into groups depending on the angles that they have inside them. So in order to be successful in this lesson, you really need to remember what is an acute angle, what is obtuse angle, and what is the right angle. Right. And then you will learn different names of triangles. All right. The second lesson is in science. In science, you will continue learning about teeth. You will continue learning about the different names for teeth and the different functions. Basically, this is still part of the digestive system because teeth are a vital part of our digestive system. And then you will take your ICT class. So in your ICT class today, you will be working on a project. So today's focus in the lesson is on animations and how to make your text animated, your pictures animated, whatever components of your slides animated, basically. So that's what you will be doing. You will be working on a digestive system. Don't forget to follow it step by step so you can have so you can do it successfully. All right, then the fourth lesson is art with Miss Yelena, and then in the fifth period we have PSE or Arabic, AB, or whatever lesson you have during PSE. So those students who take PSE, we're going to be learning about, or we're going to be talking about what we learned, how we learn new things, and skills, and how to be successful, how to achieve a new goal. So this is a very interesting topic to help you kind of get through school, really. And your last subject for today will be English at the end of the day. So all you have to do is log into Kraken Comprehension. I assigned a story for you, which is called Huckleberry Finn. And you will have to read and complete your comprehension activity or comprehension test. Guys, don't forget that don't forget, please, that you have to reach at least the score of 8. So if you don't reach this score, I will need to reassign it. You need to let me know. I will reassign it straight away. If you're working later on in the afternoon, it might be a bit delayed message, but still, please drop me a message if you need me to reassign. Okay, so that's for today. Now, a riddle time. So, right, so our last riddle was, what does always go up, but it never goes down? So the answer I was looking for was age. So indeed, your age always goes up. You are older every year, and it will never go down. It's not like you are someone is 8 years old and you can be 7 years old again. It will just always go up and it will never go down. All right, I've had some interesting answers, such as helium balloons from Samiha. That is absolutely correct. When a balloon is filled with helium, with this gas, it will go up and it won't go down. So that's really good. Then Yalma says it's stairs. Yes, stairs do go up, but stairs can always go down. So basically, depending on what perspective you're looking from. So if you're looking from the top, stairs go down. If you're looking from the bottom, stairs go up. All right, age from everyone, helium balloons from Haya also. Then Isita said we always go up, but we never go down. Maybe Isita meant we always grow up, but we don't grow down. Um, Shaheen, heat and age and smoke. Oh, that's very good. So yes, heat always goes up in a room or anywhere. It never goes down. This is if you have a fire, you will find that the heat in a room actually goes up and it accumulates in the top part of the room. So it always goes up. Very true. Same with smoke. Smoke will never go down. The smoke will always go up. Very good. And then we have Mariam, mountain. The mountain takes a really long time to go up or to grow. But yeah, it never shrinks unless it's caused by weathering. Okay, thank you so much for your answers. I have another riddle for you for today. So, what five-letter word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it? Once again, just to make sure it sinks in. What five-letter word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it? Think about it. Um, all right, Patrick has been commenting on my videos on YouTube. I would like everyone and even Patrick to just comment on Class Dojo. All right, anyway, that's your riddle for today. And as usual, we have interesting facts that I'm going to read out quickly. Okay, so today I chose animal facts again, and today I'm going to tell you about some fun facts about whales. So, did you know that many whales are toothless? They use a plate of comb-like fiber called baleen to filter small crustaceans and other creatures from the water. If you remember, we were talking about animals some time ago, and we were talking about crustaceans. So maybe some of you remember what creatures are that. So whales don't actually have actual teeth. It's like a comb. So the comb that you brush your hair with, like this is how the whale's teeth look. Anyway, there are 79 to 84 different species of whale. They came in many different shapes and sizes. A baby whale is called a calf. Whales form groups to look after calves. Whales form groups to look after calves and feed together. These groups are often made up of all female or all male whales. All right, whales that are found in both northern and southern hemisphere never meet or breed together. These groups are often made up of all female or all male whales. So basically, the whales that live in the northern part of the hemisphere will never meet the ones in the southern hemisphere, which is really fascinating. And how long must it have taken the scientists to observe that? Anyway, the arched lower lip of a whale can often make it look like it is smiling. However, it isn't a real smile as the blubber in the head of the whale prevents the muscles of the face from reaching the surface. So the shape of its mouth, it's not actually smiling, it's the shape of it's the blubber in the head of the whale that makes it impossible for the whale to like close its mouth properly, so it looks like it's smiling all the time. Okay, now you can tell the age of a whale by looking at the wax plug in its ear. This plug in the ear has a pattern of layers when cut lengthwise that scientists can count to estimate the age of the whale. So it has something in its ear that scientists can tell its age by. All right, whales love to sing. They use this as a call to mates, a way to communicate, and also just for fun. After a period of time, they get bored of the same whale song and begin to sing a different tune. That's a nice fact. All right, as sometimes whales make navigation mistakes during migrations. Although they may have made the mistake days before, they don't realize it until they become stranded. So when they are actually migrating to different places from cold waters into warmer waters, sometimes they make a mistake and they don't realize that they've been going the wrong direction for many days. And the last fun fact, whales support many different types of life. Several creatures, such as barnacles and sea lice, attach themselves to the skin of whales and live there. So basically, some organisms or some living things in the sea attach themselves to the whale and they actually live from its skin. That's fascinating. All right, so these were interesting facts about whales. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on Teams at 2:15. I don't want to see any unnecessary chats anywhere. Join the meeting at 2:15. If you want to ask me something, you can write it in the chat. Thank you so much for following the rules. See you.